And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you how we can test the password for letters. So we have our example from last time, the password. We've used the test method on it and then applied the pattern. Got it set to numbers, 0 to 9. So if I take them out of here, we get false. If I add them, we get true. Same can be done for letters. Just let me set up a password that doesn't have any letters, just a bunch of numbers. And inside of the square brackets for the pattern, I add a minus z, and this covers all the letters. Can't find any, so it's false, but if I add them here, we get true. Keep in mind that the way it's set up like this, it's only going to find the lowercase letters. If I add uppercase, we get false, and therefore it's important to add the I flag right here. And that way, lower and uppercase doesn't play a role anymore. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.